Here's Nico having a splash underneath the waterfalls. Actually, there's quite a strong current around there, and they've got a wire, or a lead, a lanyard as they call it, seamen's terms, that can help you to get across. But there's a strong current there, and if you walk across to this side, there's another small torrent of waterfall there. So it's like a slightly spirally kind of undercurrent. And two Ks. There's a K there that does 100. I think it goes 100 meters. The guy was telling me, into like an upward trend up the mountain. And it gets very slippery as you get close to the end, because the end is narrow and very, very sticky mud. A couple of Korean guys went in there, and they came out looking very, pretty worn out. But yeah.